How to free up Android storage fast. Running out of storage on Android can slow down our phone and prevent new applications updates. So if we do not free up the space, the phone may lag or apps could crash. So let's fix it. We can go to settings for that and see what's taking up the space, the application, photos, videos, or the system files. You can go over and look out for battery and device care for that and look out for the storage section and then just go over and view it, what's taking up the space. This will help us know what to target first. So you can just go and check it out. If it's the application, we can clear out the app cache. So go to settings for that. And once we are headed to settings, go to apps. And within apps, we need to select up the specific application that has the issue. And or let's say that's taking up the more space, and go to their storage and look out for the option of clear cache. If not clear cache, we can clear out the data. That should totally clear out the space that is causing the issue. But do not worry, it will not delete the app data. Apart from that, we can delete the unused files or applications. So you can just go and clean out the old videos, the pictures, duplicate files available. That should also help you out. Or we can uninstall the unused application. For that, for example, if you're not using CapCut, you can hold it up and look out for the install option and tap on it and install the application to remove the application that you do not need. You can follow the same process for the applications that you do not need and remove those. Apart from that, we can just go over and clear browser cache. Also, sometimes you can go to Chrome and then from there go to their three dot in the top right and select the option of settings from here. And within settings, just go over, look out for the section for a site settings or directly look out for privacy and security. And there, just go over and tap on delete browsing data and confirm it up. And that should also probably help out for you. If there are any kind of old screenshots or WhatsApp medias, you can delete those as well, and you can restart your phone after a major cleanup for better performance. And that's it. Now we have quickly freed up our Android storage by clearing out the cache and removing big files. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.